This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the current compatibility between Samsung Galaxy watches and Apple iPhones. Understanding this inherent limitation is the first crucial step in managing your expectations about cross-device functionality. These devices operate on fundamentally different software platforms, which inherently prevents full feature integration. This fundamental difference impacts everything from app synchronization to comprehensive health data sharing, making direct, full-feature pairing between them not feasible. It is important to grasp this core incompatibility. The core reason for this incompatibility lies in the underlying operating systems and their associated services. Samsung's watches, operating on Wear OS, are deeply integrated with Google's services, essential for their full functionality. Conversely, Apple's iPhones are built around iOS and rely on their own suite of Apple-specific applications and health frameworks. Bridging these two distinct technological philosophies for full data exchange and control simply isn't engineered into either platform, leading to significant limitations in connectivity and feature access. While a very basic Bluetooth connection might technically be established, the practical functionality is minimal to non-existent. You might observe limited phone notifications appearing on your Samsung watch, but this is far from a true smartwatch experience. Critically, you will not be able to adjust watch settings, download new applications, customize watch faces, or utilize the comprehensive health and fitness tracking features that are central to the device's purpose. This limited interaction does not provide any meaningful smartwatch capabilities. To truly unlock the complete suite of features and integrated experience of your smartwatch, the only effective path is to pair it within its designed ecosystem. This means a Samsung Galaxy watch requires an Android phone for seamless functionality, app management, and comprehensive health data. Likewise, an Apple Watch is explicitly designed to work with an Apple iPhone, providing unparalleled integration. Staying within these intended ecosystems guarantees you access to all the features and a smooth user experience as designed by the manufacturers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.